one of the little squirrels from the squirrel wrestling videos earlier, but I've only been seeing one, unfortunately. Alright, it doesn't want to focus. I can't use my camera because the memory card's filled and I busted my card reader, bent one of the pins. I'm waiting on a new one. But anyway, I'm not very far away from this little fella and it's not behaving like it probably ought to. It should have run up that tree. I'm only maybe 18, 20 feet away. You're a little too bold for your own good, buddy. I'm afraid that's probably what happened to your sibling. I don't know if this video is going to be worth anything. Can't get it to focus. Ah, jeez. Not that I want you to be scared, but it's best for your survival, little one, if you're a little more wary of me. You're a little too bold for your own good. All right, I'll leave you be there.